Okay, hello. And I'm defining you about my capstone project, which is scientific question and answer with Gen AI using Reg Pipeline. Before diving into the code and other details, I want to give you a project overview. It is a scientific question and answer system in which we use RAG from AI. It fetches real time articles from these three sources and uses sentence transformers and visualize results in proper format. So, what is the background? As you know, that researchers find it very difficult to review and explore all previous research articles on a specific topic because there are so many pages, so many resources, so many books, so many papers, and it took researcher months to retrieve all the data which he wants for further development and progressing his work. So AI has come over many problems in this field before, and this time this tool helped the researchers to find their desired researches in matter of minutes. So, not wasting a time, you can directly extract data from the webs by just few lines of codes in matter of minutes. Now, what is before going further, I wanted to you to know that what is new here, what is the novelty of this tool, what is the innovation in this code. Novelty is defined as something new, original, or previously unseen. It could be anything in AI. It could be a new algorithm, a unique data set combination, like in this case that I have gathered three different web pages in a single reg pipeline. And because the system which I have seen before, they uses one or two resources, one or two web pages, but this one, it not only gathered these three webs but also fetches articles and then give you the outcome in a structured table or in a PDF or CSV format, whatever you want. Innovation is taking the novelty, sorry, innovation is taking the novelty in a way that it creates value, solve problems, and enhances efficiency. It builds on existing ideas but make them more useful. Like in this case, it refines articles by title, date, summary, and display it in a clean format. Now let's go deep into how GenAI simplifies scraping, extraction, and viewing results in this notebook. Number one benefit or number one novelty is that it automated scraping and data collection. So manually searching articles, GenAI builds a function which help fetch articles from webs, whatever webs you wanted to give it. It handles multiple outputs and parsing automatically. NLP replaces complex database queries, and there is no manual data cleaning as GenAI processes raw text into structured data frames. This is a big key novelty here. Data source integration, I have used three data sources. You can include more if you want to experiment, and I would love to see if you experiment 4 or 5 web pages and see whatever the outcome is. And this is a short of some code lines I have here in which I give it an information to fetch PubMed articles. My topic is this, and I want maximum number of results, which is 5. You can query your desired topic here, and you can also experiment with whatever number of results you want. Now, the other thing which is very unique about this is that intelligent information extraction. Rather than manually reading and extracting related researches, it extracts backgrounds, objective methods, conclusions automatically. So when you dive into the code, you can see that I give it instruction that I want date, I want topic, I want title, I want summary, I want abstract. And whatever you want from that particular article, you can write it down and it extract automatically according to the information that you've given him. Another amazing thing is that it merged results and then unified them to generate answers. It also cross source knowledge thinking. Like you see, when we gather data from different sources, then we compare it from each other. And Gen AI, it gives semantic similarity matching via sentence transformer embeddings. And then it finds related RCIP papers for each PubMed abstract and computes a similarity score, which is 0.74, which is highly related. It helps researchers discover connections they might miss manually. While traditionally researchers create tables and plots in Excel and Python, but here GenAI auto-generated plots by this function visualize underscore result. So it automated visualization and automated reporting is also there in this tool. And this is an example. You can see an image here that these are the sources and these are the similarity scores you can count on. This is the function through which you can see your visualization. NLP, natural language querying. Basically, it gives that whenever you go to some website, whenever you go to some specific research website, there are syntax queries there. In this case, in PubMed and RCIP, you have to give thyroid cancer title in AI abstract. But GenAI, it works directly on plain English queries. You don't have to be specifically relevant about spellings, syntaxes given in a proper format. No, just write whatever you want and then it gives you the result. And now I am sharing some few shots of my code in which I fetch abstract and metadata from PubMed. So I'm defining this query here. I'm giving it an URL and I am requesting to get my URL in JSON format. And then I made a variable summaries. And in the summaries, I request to give me a result from title, from source and date, and then return my summaries. This is a code where I merged article from sources. I have given it a variable, and then I am giving it all three sources, and I want to merge these three sources and give me result. Now, this is the final code in which we generate query and give results in table form. So this is my input in which I enter a research topic or whatever topic you want. And then I am giving the variable merge data, like I want merge report, and then visualize result me in a table format. Give me source, give me title, give me date, and then print this. Now, what are the future implications and extensions? So currently it is focused on healthcare, but you can expand it to further domains like finance and commerce. Currently it works on static queries, but in future you can give it can give you live alerts, like if you want newspaper headings to match a researcher's interest. It is only text-based now, but in future you can include figure and tables and link to dataset code like GitHub or Kaggle. Currently, it is a single user notebook, but in future it can be team-based knowledge graphs. And now it is on confidence score, but no bias detection. So in future, it can highlight conflicts like study A supports AI, study B disagrees, and also like this. My final words for this project is that it's just a beginning, and hopefully that more development and improvements will be added in future, because AI is constantly evolving and every day we can see new developments and technologies come in place. So I hope that this area will also get some amazing profile in future. And now I am giving you a little glimpse about my code here. Okay, so this is it. So first of all, I install dependencies, in which I install Arxiv, Wikipedia, Matplotlib, sentence transformers, and then I also import required libraries like Pandas, Beautiful Soap, Matplotlib. And after that, I'm using all mini LM-L6 V2 model for embedder. It it uses sentence transformer. This works really good, really fine. This is my code for fetch articles for PubMed, which I have shown you before. And this is code for get Wikipedia background topic. This is a very short code. It also returns source, title, date, and summary. And then this is code to fetch articles from Arxiv. And it also gives me source, title, date, and summary. And then this is a combined report. And after that, visualization came and the full pipeline execution here. So I have given a research topic AI for thyroid cancer, and it gave me this result. You can see these are the sources. This is count, and this is in the table format. You can see there is the source PubMed, 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 this Arcis, and this one Wikipedia. The date is not available for PubMed, but Arxiv has mentioned dates and times also. Plus, Wikipedia is also not giving any date here. And this notebook features 3 GenAI capabilities, and I am hoping that in future further developments are made and more GenAI capabilities will come in action. So thank you for watching, and keep liking my project, and follow my GitHub repository, follow my LinkedIn account for more updates and more developments there. If you want to get this code, run it on your own computer, I will give you my repository link in the description. You can go over there and copy paste, and also you can get it from the Kaggle datasets. And I hope that you like my work, and best of luck for all of your things in future. Bye bye.